Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about after a baby is born, all the things you need to do to take care of yourself. Continue watching this video. So you just got back from the hospital, you brought home your bundle of joy, everybody's surrounding you, everybody's happy, everybody wants to see the baby, and this might lead you to forget that you need to rest. The first thing you need to take care of yourself is to get some rest. You have everything to do. You have baby to feed, baby to bathe, baby to do everything, but let your spouse help you so you can get some rest. The second thing you need to consider is to eat healthy or eat substantially. That's the word? Yes, eat substantially. So in Jamaica, if they have baby, then give you some strong cornmeal porridge, but then to build back your body. So you need to build back your body. So you get some nice cornmeal porridge or some soup. I hate soup, so I don't drink any. So get your cornmeal porridge, get your fruits, get your vegetables, all the good stuff. The next thing you need to pay attention to is, so after you have the baby, there's lots of bleeding going on, lots of protein that needs to get out of your body, is getting out of your body. So you need to avoid tampons. Tampons are not your friend during this period. So tampons can cause infections, so you need to avoid them until after your body is healed and good and ready to go again. Next thing you need to do is to steam. Now steaming is, I don't know if it's healthy, but it actually brings down the belly, so it helps everything to come down. So you boil some water, put it into a basin with salt, some salt in there. You can add some salve to, when you're bathing, you can add some salve to the blood scent there, take away that scent. Just boil your water, add some salt, and you try to sit over that water so that all that steam and that salt can cool down everything, so your belly goes down. I steamed for one day and my belly went just it was a drastic change. And the last thing you should do is get some exercise. Exercise is important to get back your figure, get you back on track, get you back to your normal self after having a baby. So I hope you're taking care of yourselves, mommies. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share. I hope it was helpful to you. Continue to live good, continue to live healthy, and continue to live colorful. Thank you for watching.